How to find your FPL Team ID. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. You can launch your preferred browser in your device and search for FPL or directly type in fantasy.premierleague.com. The process is same for any of your mobile device as well. Make sure that you are logged in into your FPL account. Now in here you need to head over to pick team. When you select a team, in your right hand side you have to head over to game history or game week history. In your mobile device it would be at the bottom. Once you click on your game week history you would see an interface like this. But to check out your team ID, check out the URL address at the top. The number appeared over here is actually your FPL Team ID. And that is how you will get yourself your very own FPL Team ID. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.